Alrighty, Tucker, here's your 427 small block 4 gauge script test combination. Got a set of our CNC heads on, Edelbrock manifold, fuel management, Holley Terminator X, custom grind hydraulic roller, Moroso rear sump oil pan, March front end. Winner make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,300, 508 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 535, peak horsepower 542, rated 520, so it runs really good. It's got a front end. That's the new CNC head, EFI stuff, so come a long ways. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a few little things. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. Engine in the crate will be this engine spec sheet. It'll have some more information. Highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.